Trying to see who's on the outside of Baldwin. It must
That'll be the number 3 of Michael Gallagher.
Yeah, Michael Gallagher.
And the 55 machine of Derek Wells. We are about to grip the wheel and go racing for the first time in the Lightning Sprints tonight. The Stockmans series, well and truly alive, and as you would expect, Trevor Petts, the 89 machine of Dave Fanning, right up against the boards on the entry to 3 and 4, and leads the way across the strike. Kennedy settling down into second. Here comes Kelly. Kirsty doing a great job, has a look on the outside of the motor guard number 95 machine, can't go and get the job done. Sticking on the outside of Dukes, keeps the foot in the gas. Blatchy setting a line after her, Baldwin right in behind this little battle. 4 cars battling over second, third, fourth and fifth. Ray trying to get involved in this as well in the Q1. Kennedy and Fanning, they're gone. Fanning by a country mile at the moment, but the battle up on screen, Kelly and Baldwin. Baldwin gets around the outside, moves himself up in a 4 spot. Fanning over Kennedy. Then we go back to Dukes. This battle between Baldwin, Kelly and Ray. Then we go back to Blatch, Gallagher, and Wells rounds them out. I tell you what, Trev, 4 in the bank, 5 in the bank, 3 left to run, and Fanning is on rails.
He certainly is. He's about to come and lap Derek Wells in the 55. Fanning around the outside of the 55 and puts Wells a lap down. Still with 2 laps to run in the first heat race. Kennedy goes through in second spot. The battle is third as young Kirsty Kelly starts to fade. She gets passed by Jason Ray. There's Gallagher now. About to feel the wrath of Fanning around the outside with the white flag out and 1 to go, Macca.
200 metres left for our leader. The number 89 machine of Dave Fanning, picking it up where he left off a couple of weeks ago. The X-Track number 89 gets the win. Jimmy Kennedy hangs on to second spot. A long way back to Wayne Jukes. Oh, Baldwin gets him on the line. Jukes finishes 4th from Jason Ray. Kirsty Kelly hangs on to 6th. Adam Norton was the next one from Michael Gallagher, Derek Wells, and unfortunately our DNF. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Dave Fanning. Oh, Trev, an absolute masterclass.
Yeah, you got to say, going to be hard to see anyone stop Fanning again tonight. That car is absolutely flying. It is a missile with 4 tyres on it at the moment.